Hey guys, it's Mike from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're here with the AA Ignition Replacement Engine Oil Cooler Filter Housing Kit. This engine oil cooler filter housing kit works on various Chrysler, Dodge, and Jeep vehicles when equipped with the 3.6-liter V6 engine. A few common vehicles with this engine include the 2011 to 2013 Chrysler 200, 2011 to 2013 Dodge Charger, and the 2011 to 2013 Jeep Grand Cherokee. For a full list of vehicles this part works on, check the list below. What this engine oil cooler filter housing does is it keeps your engine oil clean and cool as it circulates and lubricates your engine. Without this, your engine oil would get contaminated very quickly and rise in temperature, losing its ability to safely lube up vital engine components. The reason someone would need to replace an engine oil cooler filter housing is because the original has been known to crack, either due to excessive heat or physical damage, and that would cause leaking over time. Additionally, it takes time to diagnose a specific seal in this assembly, so you might be better off installing a whole new kit. While this replacement engine oil cooler filter housing kit is not a genuine OEM part, it does have the same OEM fit, quality, and finish throughout, as it was designed to be a direct replacement, meant to fit and work exactly like the original. However, this one does have improved cooling performance thanks to a more reliable design. Also, included with this engine oil cooler filter is going to be all the necessary seals and gaskets, plus the necessary sensors to complete the job. If you are comfortable working on your car, this might be something you could do yourself. First, make sure your vehicle is cool to the touch, drain and catch all oil, locate your oil filter housing, which is above the engine behind the intake manifold, unbolt and replace. If you have any questions about this replacement engine oil filter housing kit, please reach out to us anytime. We're glad to help.